Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sandhya Singh here. Today I'm gonna share with you a simple, quick, easy, affordable remedy for body glow. And so many of you asked me that skin is not so moisturized and it is so dry, rough, and having lots of tan. So for all body issues like dryness, roughness, tanning, there is a body scrub that I'm going to share with you, which will help you in many ways. First of all, let's see how to prepare that coffee scrub, and then we will discuss about the benefits and how to use it. So let's begin. To make this coffee body scrub, the things you will going to need is coffee, then sugar, then mustard oil. If you don't have mustard oil, you can use coconut or olive oil, then a bowl and a spoon, and you can see the spoon measurement. So I'm going to take coffee and sugar in 1:1 ratio, that is in equal quantity. I'm here taking 3 spoon coffee grounds, so I will add 3 spoon sugar. Next I will add my mustard oil. If you do not have mustard oil, you can use almond oil or olive oil and coconut oil. I use mustard oil for excessive dryness and roughness. Those who have very dry skin, for them olive oil and mustard oil is best, because these two oils have thick consistency and they keep skin moisturized. If your skin is normal and you don't need much moisturization, then you can add coconut oil. It is up to you. You can use any oil at all. Now coming to the benefits of coffee. Coffee helps in reducing cellulite, work as great anti-aging product. It gives you the effect of body spa at home. It helps in exfoliating dead skin cells and makes skin healthy and glowing. It also cleanses pores efficiently and makes skin tone and glowy and healthy. Sugar is a great exfoliator that tightens the skin and improves circulation. It removes the dead skin that helps skin to absorb the moisture and lock it into the skin. If you have brown sugar, then you can use it, that will be great. But if you don't have, you can use white sugar too. अब ऐसे लॉकडाउन में ब्राउन शुगर कहाँ से लाऊं यार, वाइट शुगर थी वही यूज़ कर दी. Apply this scrub on your body and massage it in circular motion for 2 minutes. Then leave it on your skin for another 15 minutes and then rinse off. Repeat this twice a week or thrice a week for best result. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do so, then come back to my channel and stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. I will be back soon in my next video. Till the next time, take care. Have a very nice day. Bye bye.